Hello guys, in this video we're gonna teach you how to get the rewards codes in Monopoly Go. So it's not gonna be this simple, so it's not getting it on a website or anything else. So first you'll have to go to monopolygo.com, but the prerequisite of that of course, or meaning before that, you'll have to actually purchase the actual game set right here. In Hasbro shop, of course, you'll have to get the Monopoly Go board game basically, and then it's gonna be 19.99. And inside that item, you're gonna get a code basically, and here you're gonna go to the rewards code right here. So you can only get that exclusively in the Monopoly Go board game that is newly released by Hasbro right here. Enter the code right here and then sign in, of course, with your Facebook with accordance to your own account in Monopoly Go, and then enter the code basically, and then that's how you get it. So you cannot get it at anywhere else, and if you're trying to find it in Reddit or websites that already have redeemed it, it's gonna be deemed useless because it's already redeemed. So the only way you can actually get it is through the new board game that you have to purchase right here. You can get it in Amazon, you can get it in Target, Walmart, Macy's, Kohl's, and eBay, of course. And you can also get it from the Hasbro shop itself. So that's the only ways you can do so right here to get the rewards codes in Monopoly Go.